Welcome, Jeff from Prefect here. I'm excited to share with you multi-deployment builds. So that means you have one project, but we're going to make multiple deployment builds from that one project. So let's get to it. Right now I have a GitHub repo that has a couple of scripts in it. One of them is a sell script where we're going to sell some securities and it's wrapped in a Prefect flow. And we have a buy script that is going to buy securities and is also wrapped in a Prefect flow. So we are going to do Prefect project init. Now I have Prefect 2.10.6 installed, and we need 2.10.6 to use this new functionality. And when I do Prefect project init, I am going to create this project because I'm creating a hidden folder, a .prefect hidden folder, a .prefect ignore, which is like a git ignore, and then a prefect.yaml and deployment.yaml. So in prefect.yaml, we got a name and a prefect version automatically by inferring those from our environment. And because we're in a Git repo, Prefect was smart enough to know that we could put in this pull step here where we will clone a project when it comes time to actually run the deployment. So it's got the repository here and the main branch. All right, so the magic now is in the deployment.yaml file. So we can use this to template multiple deployments. We need to have a name. So this first flow, let's call this first deployment by deployment. And we don't really need these other parts right now, so let's delete them. But we do need an entry point. So our entry point is going to lead us to our flow function. So in by.py, we are going to need to access the by flow, and then we will specify which work pool we want to use by giving it the name here. And I happen to be logged into Prefect Cloud already and have a work pool ready to go. So I'm going to use my local work pool. This is going to run as a local subprocess. And then let's do the same thing. Copy paste this, and we will do our cell deployment. And this will use the cell.py file. And file path is just cell.py, and it's the cell flow within that. And we'll use the local work pool. Great. I'm going to save that. And then I will just do prefect deploy -- all. And this will deploy all of these templated deployments that are in this Prefect project. I get messages that they're deploying, and if I go over here and look at my deployments now, I see I have a buy deployment and a sell deployment. Let's start this worker to pull our local work pool, and let's run our buy deployment. We'll do a quick run. You can go view the run in the UI. See that it's running here locally, and I should see that it generates some logs in the UI momentarily. There we go. Bought some securities, finished in state completed. All right, just that easily, we created multiple deployments from one project. That's all for now. Have a good day.